White Sunday served as a day to celebrate the children. O le sa pa pa e sa moa o se aso whatawa ina iamo o whanau o le atulu. The skit we're about to perform for you tonight showcases the idea and how Samoan parents, how Samoan parents, let people know about their children. So maybe Samoa, the Nita Yofan, Matua Fan, Samoa. Yeah, we're not going to tell fight twice. Yeah, before we start, we humbly ask that you fasten your seatbelt and get ready to fly in the air. Yeah?
Such a lovely day today,
I know, I am so
very
happy.
beautiful.
Yeah, up, down, in and out. Beautiful, yeah.
And it's appropriate too, because today's White Sunday.
I know, everything is white, even the ceiling is right. I mean, it's white, yeah. Power's out. White, yeah. My Lord Josephine.
How are you? How have you been doing?
Oh, I've been good, yeah. Good, every time, every day, good. Oh, and yourself? Oh.
Hey, how's your oldest son? How's he doing?
Oh, my oldest son? Oh, George.
Yeah, And how is he doing?
Oh, George is doing good, yeah. He's doing perfectly fine.
Oh.
Yeah. He has a business, yeah. He's a business owner.
Oh, that's not what I heard.
Business owner.
That's not what I heard.
Earning a lot of money, yeah.
Hey, this is what I heard
Oh, other people.
Yeah, this is what I heard from other people.
Especially when you're talking to yourself.
From his job. Hey, mismanagement of funds.
He's working from home, earning a lot of money. Yeah, he's a business owner.
Okay. Hey, and how about your youngest son?
Jacob.
How's he doing?
Oh, he's doing good, very good. He's in the military, by the way. Yeah.
I didn't know.
This is his second year, serving as a Secret Service agent.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, keep one is secret. Something you cannot keep to yourself.
Yeah, and my son, my oldest son, he graduated from Harvard University with a master's degree, a bachelor's degree, a degree, and an under degree. He's a very brilliant kid. Oh my goodness. I didn't see you at church last Sunday.
I was here last Sunday.
I didn't see you.
I didn't see you. Oh, I didn't know that's your job description. I didn't know you need to tell people who are coming to church. How's everyone been now? I'll be late. How's your husband doing?
Oh, he's good.
Oh, he's really, really good. Argentina.
Oh,
My teacher in Chile.
your husband's,
Yeah.
a pastor's kids.
Oh no, I don't know that. No, that.
Oh,
Can you? Aku tak fokus, maka saya main step. Pasti aku buat step. Pasti.
oh yeah. This is their class.
So this is your granddaughter.
That's my granddaughter.
What am I to say?
That's my
Yeah,
granddaughter.
this is my granddaughter. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Papi's. Yeah.
Oh, that's my granddaughter. Hey, you know, my granddaughter told me your granddaughter is the most naughtiest girl in class. But when it comes to doing her mental notes, she always gets scared.
You know what?
Yeah.
Watch observe and then listen. Huh?
My God, love me, and all the wonders I see. Oh, shine through my window, my God,
That's your granddaughter.
That's my granddaughter.
Oh, cool job, Gabriela.
Ole ang bailo ng sauloto. Uwa, sani, Yesu.
I hope so.
Uwa, sani, Yesu.
That's your
Yeah,
granddaughter.
I watch observe and listen.
She looks scared. It's kind of obvious to look at you.
Oh, is it Halloween? Oh, okay, yeah.
Ang bailo ng sauloto. Eh.
Busy.